There are so many women who are being successful and coming out to inspire all of us. There are so many significant ideas for a woman to invest. Gathering and planning out the entire investment idea might help them reach their financial purposes. In today's modern world, there are so many people who are having equal opportunities, regardless of gender as well. There are so many women who are being successful and coming out to inspire all of us. Well, I'm going to tell you a couple of investment plans that you all can use as an Indian woman and also put forward for your financial status. There are several investment ideas and plans that they can invest on their financial goals as well. I'm going to pitch in a couple of ideas in this video. I'm Varsha and welcome to the Freedom channel. Do not forget to subscribe this channel and also download our Freedom app. Furthermore, there are so many significant ideas for a woman to invest on a monthly basis or a yearly basis that help in their earnings. So this is a great idea for them to know what is the actual thing that they have to do when it comes to investing. Gathering and planning out the entire investment idea might help them reach their financial purposes. Not only that, in a lot of financial sectors that can help them overcome a lot of unwanted issues. This is one of the reasons why investment has played a major role in the market, why people are thinking of investing. Well, we all lack education when it comes to investing. So that is where Indian money plays an important role. We educate you just so you know what you have to do when it comes to your financial properties. I'm going to list out a couple of top investment ideas for the women in India. Starting off with, first one is the Public Provident Fund, which is also called as PPF. Public Provident Fund is one of the best investments for a woman. It's available in all the post office. This also allows women to get great returns. Apart from that, Public Provident Fund also allows you the rate of interest of 7.1% to 8% in a tenure of 15 years. Furthermore, it's risk-free. A woman can start off by investing by just Rs 500 to 1.5 lakhs. If the investment plan is to be withdrawn, well, 50% of the returns is given to that particular woman. This is one of the best savings plan that I can think of, because if you think in the span of 15 years or a tenure of 15 years, you know what 50% can do to you if you happen to withdraw them back. This is exactly suitable even for homemakers. Next is the Employees Provident Fund, shortly called as EPF. Well, this is one of the best investment for employee women. It is a secured post-saving income meant for women to be tax-free and gather a tax-free savings. Working women only have to contribute about 8% in the EPF funds, and also this is only for the first 3 years. This is one of the best investment options in India for women who are earning high income. And also, women working in the private sectors can invest up to Rs 2.5 lakhs, and women working in the government sector can invest up to 5 lakhs in this EPF scheme. Next is the Kisan certificate is issued by the Indian Post Office. Well, that offers an annual interest rate of 7.6%. It is the best short-term investment plan for the ladies, which has no maximum contribution. Furthermore, this investment plan is valid for 9 years and 5 months. Plus, the maturity value is double the principal amount in this particular scheme. Well, thereby this shows ways to gain more advantages. Moreover, this scheme guarantees risk-free and high returns to the investors. Next is the National Savings Certificate, which is also called as NSC. National Savings Certificate is again one of the best investment options for women because it gives you a high return. It offers you up to 8% and there is no caps on the money invested. But one catch in this is that it comes with certain restrictions. You are not supposed to draw money until the maturity period. This is more or less like fixed deposits. Post Office Monthly Income Scheme. Post Office Monthly Scheme is one of the investment schemes for women who can depend on consistent earning, as it provides and ensures way for this type of earning. This has a tenure from 1 year to 5 years, and one can invest minimum of rupees 1000 and maximum till 4.5 lakh. This scheme is one-time investment that helps you earn your interest based on the tenure. And also, joint account holders can deposit up to 9 lakh under the scheme. Next is fixed deposit, which is also called as FD. Fixed deposit is a well-known scheme when it comes to the savings. This is also available in private and public sector banks. Well, on the other hand, it also depends on the banks in India when it comes to the rate of interest. It differs from one bank to another. The fixed deposit promises on the fixed return. There is no maximum limit on the investments. In this, it is possible to withdraw the fixed money which you have kept for a particular or a maturity period of time in case of emergencies. However, the interest rate on the principal amount will be affected when you withdraw before the maturity period. Next are the mutual funds. Mutual funds are those funds that you would have often heard a lot of people say that I have invested in these. These are the ongoing funds for a long term that you will still hear people say that I will still invest in these. Well, these are the funds which are useful even for the best benefit of women. This is because they significantly show ways to overcome inflation problems. In addition, they can choose the systematic investment plan, which reduces the losses and also increases your returns on investments. Besides that, mutual funds are a great alternative for self-trading, and also women can select a vast range of options offered by the bank. They can also show you a couple of ways you can invest in stock markets and have great returns with very less risk. Next one is the Post Office Time Deposit Scheme. This scheme is also available for a lot of women out there. This scheme can also ensure and guarantee returns on your investments. The investment period ranges from 1 to 5 years with zero risks. Moreover, you can withdraw the amount whenever you want before the maturity date, and also the best advantage for this is that you can transfer your particular account when you move from one city to another. Well, next is the real estate. Due to urbanization, real estate market has been growing massively in India. And investing money in them is one of the expensive options, but banks have offered discount for women when it comes to the purchase of home loan. Women can repay the loan when it comes to the tenure of 10 to 20 years depending on their particular choice. Real estate investments have provided ways for women to earn income in the form of rents. Well, apart from that, they have ensured regular monthly income, which stimulates the higher income earnings for a woman. Last but not the least is gold. Well, women's eyes shine bright and ears widen when the word gold comes. That is the reason this is one of the wise investments in India that has been ensured to a woman, because this helps you in protection when there are uncertainties. This is a safe investment option when it gives you a consistency income. Women can buy gold from bank and authorized dealers. They can actually get great money returns when there is an increase in gold price in the market, and also it's possible to exchange the gold coins for cash or jewelry making purposes. Gold investment enables a woman overcome financial burdens during high inflation. Well, these were the investment ideas that I had in mind for you, but please make sure that you have a thorough research before you invest and make sure your investment is fruitful. If you want to know more details about investment, we have a couple of courses that you can learn from our Freedom app in our personal finance. Do not forget to download our app, and also do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Get wise and break free.